Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to share a PPT file on Facebook Messenger using your phone. First, navigate to the File Manager app on your phone and tap to open it. Once the app opens, locate the folder where your PPT file is stored. Once you find the PPT file you want to share, tap to open it. As you can see, a demo PPT file is open on the screen. Next, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen to open a menu. From this menu, select the Share option. A list of apps will appear at the bottom of the screen. Scroll through the list and find the Facebook Messenger app. Tap on Facebook Messenger to proceed. Now you will see a list of your friends. Add a comment if needed and then select the friend or group with whom you want to share the PPT file. Now go back to your phone's home screen and open the Facebook Messenger app. Navigate to the chat where you sent the PPT file to confirm the successful sharing. And that's it. This is how you can share a PPT file on Facebook Messenger using your phone. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.